Magbigay ng lugar kung saan makakakita ng Bible.
The church.
Correct. Sa church.
Bookstore.
Fair. Pass or play?
Play.
Let's do this. The final round, Team Universe. Ariela. Magbigay ng lugar.
Bahay, if
Saan
you have bought it.
makakakita ng Bible, Ariela? Saan kaya?
Hotel.
Hotel.
Okay.
Yes. Nandiyan ba ang hotel? Arbony, name a place where you can see a Bible.
Sa bahay.
Yeah, just at home, like me. How about bookstore? Because before you buy a Bible, before you have a Bible at home, you need to buy one in the bookstore. This is an hospital. Let's see if it's there.
There.
Ay, wala.
Isa na lang hinahanap natin, magbigay ng lugar kung saan makakakita ng Bible.
Kumbento.
Sa kumbento? Nandyan ba ang kumbento? Wala rin. Ariela, one last chance bago sila makapag-steal. Magbigay ng lugar kung saan makakakita ng Bible, isa na lang.
Library.
Nandyan ba sa library ang Bible? Wala.
Try bookstore.
Magbigay
You
ng
forgot to
lugar
say
kung saan
that.
makakakita ng Bible. Saan kaya?
Classroom.
Sa
Nope.
classroom? Saan siya?
Okay?
Court.
As in Supreme Court, ganon?
Yes.
Kung saan yung
Sugar?
Court din ako. Kasi ang dami ko na napagdaanan doon. Sure ako doon, pero...
Meron doon?
Meron!
Court
Yung ganun,
room.
ginaganon yun doon. Oo,
Divine?
masarap yung class.
Oo.
Magbigay ng lugar kung saan makakakita ng Bible, Divine.
Makakakita sa korte.
Wow! In the Supreme Court.
Para pag nanumpa yung mga witnesses.
Yeah, I think I remember there was one time I went to Kidsania. I do see that there.
Nandiyan po ba ang courtroom?
Sayang lang yung sayang lang yung hula mo, Sugar. Or Ate Sugar.
You guys got it? Alright. Tignan natin.
I'm
Ang
sure my
pinakahulaan,
bookstore is there.
Number 3,
Is it
please.
there? Hey!
Kung saan nagbibenta ng Bible, ang ating final score.
You
Team
didn't
Universe,
even think about that.
26 points.